never made it, but I know what it takes. I'm motivated by a mix of emotion. Got my statement, and I'm reading.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Dante with New Wave Trucking. Just wanted to talk to you guys real quick about the importance of having a mobile printer. So a mobile printer is great. I think everybody should have one. It kind of gives you the competitive advantage out there when you're trying to book loads. You know, kind of like having your TSA or TWIC card. You know, you see those come across the road board a lot. You know, the driver must have one of those things. And if you got that mobile printer, you know, a lot of times they'll say, you know, you need to print the paperwork before you go to the job site. So, you know, you might need your BOL printed or your Raycon printed, or especially when you go into like an airport, there's a lot of paperwork that has to get printed before you go to an airport. So a lot of times you out on the road, you might gotta go to Staples or Office Depot or somewhere like that just to try to get the paperwork printed before you can go to pick up the freight. So I know I saved a lot of time by getting a mobile printer. Now I picked a mobile printer up on Amazon. I think it was like maybe 110 or something like that. It wasn't expensive, but like I said, I picked it up on Amazon. And actually, I'll put everything that I'm kind of telling you guys to pick up, I'll put it in the description at the bottom in this video, so you can go pick it up or just get an idea of what I'm talking about. You don't have to get the specific one I have. I didn't compare any different ones to a double one. Just so happened the first one I picked, it worked out well for me. So I picked up one called Jardins, I believe I'm saying that correctly. Jadens or something like that. So I picked the printer up, Jadens, but it says Peri page on it, but that's just the app. That's the app I downloaded, and I'm gonna tell you about that as well. I also picked up the print paper, which is like thermal paper, so you don't need any like ink or anything like that. Boom, this, and I also picked up this nice little carrying case just to keep the printer from getting damaged. So that's this nice carrying case, like zips up like this, keeps the printer nice and safe, and the printer fits in there like extremely easy. Goes in like that, just like this, flip it up, and there's your printer right here. So this will get you everything you need while you're out on the road. I think I paid maybe 20, 30 bucks for the carrying case as well. Like I said, I can't remember off the top of my head, but like I said, I'll put all the information inside of the description so you can have it. And basically how it works, you just download the app. It's really, really simple. You go to your Apple store or your, what's that foreign phone nobody uses? The Google phone. You can get if you have that phone, right? Just kidding, just being funny. I'm an Apple guy, so I'm just saying with the Apple. So you download the app, the Peri Page app, I believe it's called. Yeah, I'm looking at it now. It's the Peri Page app. And you got different options. You can actually print like documents, you can print pictures, anything like that. So like say, even this isn't just for the truck. Well, I use it for the truck, but you can take this on the road with you anywhere, hook it up to your laptop. If you're in the office doing somewhere, with your kids somewhere, you need to print out like a picture or something for the kids. It has multiple uses. So I would suggest using it. But like I say, it's pretty easy. You just get the documents sent to you by your office, or while you're out on the road, you go to your emails, you know, when they send you the Raycon or the BOL or your Airway Bills or whatever it is that you need. You hook up to the printer, and it's Wi-Fi connect. So, you know, it'll hook up right to your phone, and you open the document. I'm gonna see if I can open a document right now and see if I can print it out. So you just open the document and pick a document that you want to print, and you simply just hit the print button. It'll give you 3 options right before it prints. It'll say A4, letter inch, and legal inch. So that's just different sizes that it'll print out, right? So A4 is one size, legal is that long document like this that prints out. And then the letter one is the regular 12:9 letter or something like that. You pick the 12:9 one. There's a check mark on there. You hit the check mark, and then you just hit print, and it should come right out. See? Look at that. Look at that. Right while you on the road. Takes just a few seconds to come out. just like this. And you rip it, and there go your paperwork. All the paperwork you need. You can print out as many sheets as you need, many copies as you need, and everything like that. One time I had to pick up I had to rescue some freight, so I went to go rescue the freight, and the guy had the paperwork, so I didn't have the original copies of the paperwork, but I was able to take a picture of the paperwork, print it out right here on my printer, and that way he got a copy and I got a copy. So he was protected to say that he had the freight first, and I was the rescue guy. So he was able to still get paid, still have a good copy of the paperwork. He had a copy of the, once I took it where it was going, got the signature and everything, he was able to get a copy. So different circumstances has happened. Like I say, I'm on a job and I'm out there picking some freight, and they say, oh, can you print the paperwork out? We got Airway Bills. You know, you can't go to the airport sometimes without the Airway Bills and stuff like that. Or even if you just go to the job and the broker didn't send the paperwork, they forgot that you needed some paperwork. And now you're on the job site with no paperwork. And a lot of times, as you guys know, when you get to the shipper, some of them, they tough. And they be like, we ain't printing out nothing. They got big signs in the window. We don't print no paperwork. So now you're stuck with no paperwork or no way to get the paperwork printed. So like I say, just my suggestion, get a mobile printer. I'm not suggesting you get any specific mobile printer because, like I say, I just picked this one and it happened to work for me. But I'm assuming all of them work pretty much the same. And you just keep it charged. They give you a regular charging port. They come with it. You keep that charged up. Plug in here somewhere. Oh, right here to the side. Plug it up. That keep it charged. As long as the green light on, that means you're good to go. One thing I do want to say before I go, I did when I ran out of my first thermal paper and I ordered some new thermal paper. I ordered the refill, and the paper size is 8.5 by 11. That's what the latter paper size was. But I did order some new thermal printing paper, and I thought I had the wrong printing paper. Now, I'm gonna tell y'all why. I'm gonna see if I can do this right now. Inside of here, when you open this up, once you reorder this, just keep in mind, inside of here, it has some tabs in here that can be moved left or right. Now, when I brought the thermal paper wouldn't fit in it. So I thought I had the wrong thermal paper. And I was upset. I was ready to send it back to Amazon. And I was checking the, you know how people leave comments and stuff like that. And a lot of people was having the same issue. But what I noticed was the two tabs, they come out. So I had to take the two tabs out. Actually, I think I still had the tab. Yes, okay. So the tabs look like this. There's one on each side of the thermal printer. You just simply take these two tabs out. There's one on the right and one on the left. You pull these two tabs out. This is important. Pull these two tabs out, and then the paper fits in there very easily. And as long as the paper fit in there, it goes in. Let me tighten this back up because I done took it out now. Hold on. I don't want this too much. So you put it back in there, and you just close the lid, and that's it, right? But if you don't take these two tabs out, the paper won't fit. So you'll just assume you have the wrong size paper, but you don't. You don't have the wrong size paper. You just have to remove these tabs. And I believe these tabs are in there. So if you print different size paper, if you put a different size paper in there, it'll compress. You have the option for it to compress, and in a way to hold the paper so you could print smaller size paper and stuff like that. So it's important, like as you reorder, to remember to take these tabs out. You have the right size paper, just take these tabs out. So that's pretty much all I wanted to talk about. Just wanted to give you guys a suggestion to try the mobile printer out. You're on the road, you're in a Sprinter van, box truck, tractor trailer. All of us are getting the same paperwork, right? BOLs, Raycons, different documents you need for the jobs. I suggest you're a truck driver, get this paperwork. Get this printer. You definitely won't go wrong with the money you spend. It's a great investment. So that's my suggestion. Take it or leave it. But Hope you guys try the printer, enjoy it. If you got any questions or comments, like I say, leave it down below. I can reply from my experience of using it, the printer. And that's it. See you guys on the next video.
I never made it, but I know what it takes.